Do you want to upgrade your interior with a beautiful mirror? Don't be afraid, you really don't have to be a professional to install it. We'll show you how to do it. Make sure you unpack the mirror safely. Don't put it on the floor. Use protective material so you don't scratch the mirror. We provide all the accessories you will need, and you will find a QR code on the accessories. Scanning this code, you will be guided to our FAQ page. Here you can find more videos on how to install your mirror. Many of our mirrors can be hung in different directions. Find out how you want to install yours. Measure the distance between the center of the suspension plates. Mark this distance on the wall so you know where to drill. Many of the mirrors can be hung with the washer supplied. These ensure that even if you don't drill perfectly, your mirror will be hung level. If you want to install a heavy mirror, make sure you have some help. Do you have an empty wall? Ever thought about hanging a mirror there? It can really upgrade your interior. It will bring in the light, it can enlarge the space, and it can be both functional and decorative. Discover a wide range of mirrors on our website. We have something for everybody.